So an item with servicing while you're here, changing all the filters and stuff like that while you're doing your service, is definitely this interior cabin filter. That's what it says there, cabin filter. And I've got a Bosch one, and these are all the part numbers. And that essentially filters all the outside air into the cabin when you start and you've got your fans on and all that kind of stuff. And you will be absolutely amazed with the amount of filth and dirt it picks up from the outside. So yeah, and you will find it in here. So if you go into the glove box, there's a little switch there, little thing. You can flick that. Basically what you need to do, get in there, lift that, and the whole thing should pop down. I was going to do it, but I need two hands. And there's one there that's just been released. There you go, you can see the fingers there, it pops out. And there is another one right there on the other side. It takes a fair bit of squeezing. Don't do what I did the very first time I did it. I caught my fingers in it, it really hurt. So there we go, you can see that side's out. That side's out now. And the whole thing drops down, dropping you the contents of your dashboard, all of the glove box, all over the floor. But it does reveal the fuse box, that's it. And this bit here is your cabin filter. Now it's a bit of a faff, you've got to sort of get these little lugs to come down. You need like octopus hands to get this, because you've got to do all three at once and pull it at the same time, so it's a bit of a faff. But I'll get it going and then I'll show you what to expect. So for this, I've got the trusty pick. The trusty pick is going to get in there. A little flat blade screwdriver would work just as well. And I literally want to lift and sort of pull if I can. I don't know if you can see that happening. Stick it in, lift and pull. You see I've got that sort of pull action, it's moving it forward a little bit. Same on that, and the whole thing lifts out. And there is the filter. Again, can't get my hands in. There we go. Right, it comes. So now, I only did this last year. Oh, brilliant. And it's not that bad. You can see the bit that's not exposed to the elements, but it looks pretty dirty. So I am going to change it because I've got another one. But this is not as bad as it was last year. Last year, it looked like it had been through a swamp. There were leaves in it and all sorts of horrible, nasty stuff. So I'll get rid of that. Get a nice, shiny new one out. A nice shiny new one. There it is. It says there to the airflow. Ooh. Airflow goes that way through. So I'm going to put it in probably this way around so I can see the words. And it just needs a little bit of finagling in. So it goes from this way, so it's outside, it's that way, inside is where we are. So the airflow arrows are pointing down. And then just make sure that's in and clicked. Give it a good shove. Glove box goes back up. Now you've got to watch these things. These things are just stupid. They just flap around all over the place. But they need to match up inside there. So I'll make that, and I did that one-handed. So then we need to get them back behind the dash. Which, to be fair, I think you can do with just a push. There we go. And the dash is all back together again. And that's it. Pollen filter, cabin filter changed, or pollen filter, same thing. So that's it for today. Nice short video. Hopefully you found the video useful, and I will keep uploading new stuff as and when I kind of get to it. So yeah, drop us a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you soon.
In the garage under the bright light, Slick Rick's got the tools ready to ignite. With a wrench in hand, he shares his know-how, teaching the world, come on, let's get it now. Oil changes, brakes, and mufflers too. He's breaking it down, showing what to do.